Hey friends, we are here to count up our sinking fund totals for March. It is, what's today? March 25th. It is Tuesday. And so technically, even though it's not the end of March, I really don't think I'll be adding more to the sinking funds. So it's okay to count it now, and even if I do end up adding more, totally not a big deal. So we're going to use the undated budget planner. Spiral bound version is still available in my Etsy shop. The non-spiral bound version is available over on Amazon. It is linked below in my description box. And I already went ahead and transferred all of my totals every month. This is an undated planner, but every month includes a sinking funds tracker. And I like to do this every month just to add up how much I was able to add to my sinking funds in the prior month. Basically, it's just a way for me to kind of know, where I'm at with my totals. So we're doing March of 2025. Like I said, I already transferred my totals. So these totals are what I had at the end of February. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and count up what we have in each fund now. That will be our ending balance. And then once we're finished with that, I will go ahead and add everything up and see where we're at. So we ended February with $2,196 in our sinking funds. And so, yeah, we're going to go ahead and total it up now. Okay, so Prime, we had $214. We now just have $20. I did take all of that money out, and I did make the payment for all of my subscriptions. So now we're starting again to save for the 2026 subscriptions. Okay, Beauty, I actually need to take 25 out of here because I had my massage. It was wonderful, and so I spent about 25 bucks out of my cash. The rest I had a gift card for. So we now have, we started Beauty with 130. We now have 20, 40, 60, 85. 85 left, and I'm just writing this on my tracker also because I didn't take the cash out of there yet. Okay, so that's going to be minus 45. And let's see, what did I say? I have $85. I'll probably use some or most of that actually for a haircut. Like I told you guys, I want to get a haircut, and then I also want to get a mani-pedi. That's probably going to come out of the vacation money, which, wowza, look at this envelope. So we started March off with literally $9 in this vacation envelope. And as you can see, we now have just a little bit more than $9. I am going to go ahead and count this, even though it's a lot, because who doesn't love to just count their pile of money? So 1, 2, 3, 50. Let's actually grab the calculator. 350 plus 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83. 300, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 100, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 100, 1, 2, 102, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 24. So 1686, and that does not jive with my total here. 1686 Why am I almost $100 less than I thought? 1686. Is that right, you guys? Because I have here that it should be 1776. Huh. I'm gonna have to count it again, you guys. I'm just gonna have to do it. I will be right back. Okay, you guys, I counted it 2 more times, and both times I did get 1776. So, I think the first time maybe I just missed a couple 20s or something like that. Okay, so 1776 in here. Whew, that's good because I was about to be like, where the heck did that money go? Okay, so if we take that minus 9, we added 1767 in here, which is awesome, and that is because I finished that 2024 book, so yay to that. And you can see here on my tracker, I just wrote that I spent $360 because that is what I took out of that 2024 challenge to pay the balance of the credit card off. So that was the reason behind that. Okay, subscriptions, we had 0. We still do. I haven't stuffed that in forever. Emergency, we had 278. And we now have 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 75, 6, 7, 8. Still 278. So no change there. Let's see what else. Debt, I don't stuff. Medical, I have been spending out of here. My husband literally just took my daughter to the doctor again because they called from daycare and said she had another fever. We just cannot catch a break over here. So I had 170. I now have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 119, and I do have an almost $500 bill, or I think it's maybe like $460 or even $420, something. It's over $400 that I do owe for CPAP supplies, which does suck, but at the same time, then my deductibles met for the year, so everything else should be covered 100%, which is wonderful, except for copays. So I do need to come up with, you know, at least $300 and some dollars. So where that's coming from, don't ask me. Okay, taxes. We had $695 in here. We now have 5, 6, 7, 50, 800, 850, 70, 90, 900, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 919, this money is going to come out very soon because I do need to make my first quarterly tax payment for the year. I did tell you guys, I did decide to just pay the $800 just like last time, and then just try to, you know, try to just still save over and above that. So we'll see how that works out for me. Okay, so that's plus 224. All right, that's it for this binder. You guys, I want to tell you, I have recently become obsessed with Wicked. I never knew the story. I never saw the play. I never knew anything about it. Well, today is what, Tuesday? On Sunday, I watched the movie on Peacock. Oh my God, I instantly loved it. I loved it so much that I have been literally watching it every day. I love it. So if you love Wicked, tell me below. One of my friends said I should try to watch like the play. I don't know if that would be like streaming anywhere or anything. But yes, I love it. Okay, Penelope, we started with 197. Oh, I did finally make her appointment. It's Monday, so this is all going to be coming out. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 75, 85, 95, 300, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 322 for Penelope. I am hoping, let's see, 322. I'm hoping that it's only going to be like 100 and some, because I'm not going to get her medications there, like her flea and tick and heartworm. I'm going to try Chewy for that. I have a 20 or 30% off, or at least I did. I have to see if I can find it. Hopefully I can find it. Your first Chewy pharmacy purchase. So that's plus 125 in here. If I can find that, I'm going to order her medications on Chewy because it'll obviously be cheaper. So hopefully this is only 100 and some, and then I don't know if what is remaining will cover the rest, like cover her medications. That's what I'm hoping for, but we will see. Car maintenance, we had 99 in here. And we now have 50, 70, 90, 95. Look at that 5. Yeah. 100, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 119. So what's that? Plus 20? Plus 20 bucks in there. Next, for holidays, we had 100, and we probably still do. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1. Yes, 100. I do need to start shopping for Easter. I haven't bought anything yet, but it's rapidly approaching. So I do need to probably take all of that out and start shopping. Groceries, we had 20. We now have 0. I did spend that. Okay, birthdays. We had 209. Rowan's birthday is in 2 days. His party, anyway. His actual birthday has already passed. So let's see, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 80, 90, 300, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 319. Some of that is props, so I do need to exchange that. So let's see, what's that? Plus 110, right? Yeah, I think that's right. So plus 110 is in there. That's a great increase. Why is it 110? Shouldn't it be more than that? I guess not. I don't know. Okay. Plus, I'm all discombobulated now. Kids. We started kids with 75. We now have 20, 40, 60, 85, 95, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 125, so that's good. We did bump that up a little bit. 125. So that's plus 50, I believe. Is that right? And what's this? Beauty. 130 minus 85. So we spent 45. I think I wrote this in the wrong section here. Minus 194 for Prime. Okay. All right. So that is it. Now what we need to do is go ahead and add up our totals for the end of March. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, wow, look at the increase, you guys. 4182. Now, granted, most of that is between taxes and vacation, which are both going to come out in April. So we're going to go way, way, way down, but that's okay. That's what that money is there for. It's there to be spent. So if we take 4182 minus 2196, then we added $1,986 to our sinking funds in March. What? That's crazy. I'm going to go ahead and just add up this column at the end here and just make sure it equals plus 1986. Okay, I'm actually getting plus 2006 and I did it twice. So somewhere here, these numbers are wrong. I am wondering about medical and car maintenance. Did they match? Because I have 119 for both. Wouldn't it surprise me if I wrote the wrong numbers in here? So let me just check really quick. For medical, yeah, we have 119. That's right. And then car maintenance, I think that was correct too. Yeah, 119. Okay, so maybe my math somewhere here in the difference column is wrong. So let me go ahead and just knock everything over on my desk and just check all this, and I'll be right back. Oh, minus 20. Okay, well, I immediately found it. It's here in groceries. We had 20, now we have 0, and instead of putting minus 20, I just put a slash. So this now should add up to this 1986. Perfect. Okay. Well, that was quick and easy. All right. So all in all, we had a 1986. Yes, that is amazing. Love that for me. And now I have the freedom to spend all the money I want on vacation. My taxes, my quarterly taxes are covered. What a relief. Yes. So all in all good things for the end of March. Okay, my friends, that is it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for watching till the end and sticking with me. I so appreciate when you watch till the end of the video. I love you guys so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye.